you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Vonnie G's here, and I have a very special video for you guys today. It is a holiday themed video, and I wanted to do a holiday gift guide for you guys because I know a lot of you are buying gifts. Some of you are buying gifts last minute, and I hope that this can help you. Hopefully I'm not too late. I know a lot of people do last minute gift shopping and they don't know what to get. So hopefully this sparks some ideas for you guys, or you can take some of my ideas and you can get your boo, your bae, your friend, your mom, your dad, your sister, your brother a really cute gift. And yeah, so let's get into it. A really cool gift that you can get for somebody that you know that loves tea, that loves coffee, and that loves to like relax and is a very cozy type of person is a coffee mug. Now this coffee mug, I got this one from Urban Outfitters, and I suggest that you get one that's really special, that stands out from your regular coffee mug. This one is a cute little sloth, and I got this, I think this was about $8, I'm not sure, but this is so cute. And you can also pair it with tea or any type of tea that you think that that person would like, if you know what kind of tea flavors they like. The two tea flavors that I've been drinking lately is the sweet orange tea and the vanilla macaron tea from Tazo, and these two are like my favorite. I love like cozy type of teas. I love like sweet dessert type of teas. That's just my type of thing, because tea for me is like a relaxing, cozy, like comfort thing. You could take the coffee mug and stuff it with different teas and put like peppermints and different things like that in the coffee mug. Use some nice wrap to put around the coffee mug, and yeah, give it to them as a gift. Put a nice bow on it and you have the perfect gift for your cozy tea sipper. The next gift is for a person that loves to relax, or the person that doesn't really have a lot of time to relax. Maybe they work a lot or they have a lot of kids, so you can set them up a nice cute self-care bag. You can get yourself a nice cute gift bag and just pick a bunch of different like self-care items that you think are really cool and really cute and that you think that person would like. So some of the ideas for what you can put into that gift bag are bath bombs, and I feel like Lush is a perfect place to go if you want to get some really cute bath bombs that really stand out and that are really special. And this one is the Lush, I don't know what this is called. This is just like a wand. This is I think it's a bubble bar, and this one makes bubbles. It smells like candy. It's super cute. You run this under the water and it makes bubbles, so I think that's really cute. This is something that you could definitely put into a self-care bag. Another item that you could throw into that self-care bag is a bath bomb. I got this really cute, adorable bath bomb from Lush. I got this from my mom. I feel like anyone would love to receive a bath bomb, especially for Christmas. It's the holiday season. You may have some time off, you want to relax and just catch a good vibe. So I feel like a bath bomb is a super cute and super fun gift. Also in your self-care bag, you can throw like some masks, some face masks, some sheet masks. Also, this Aztec clay mask is really popular. It has a lot of great benefits to it. So you can get something like this and throw it into your self-care bag. If you have a friend or family member that's into fitness and yoga, I think that getting something that fits their lifestyle is a super cute way to show that you appreciate them and you pay attention to who they are and the things that they like. A great gift that you could get somebody that's into fitness and health and things like that is a yoga mat. You can get a really cute yoga mat. I got this one from Target a while back. It says keep going on it. It is super cute. You can get these yoga mats for super cheap, or you can go all out and get the more durable, expensive ones. But if you're on a budget, you can get something like this, so they can do some simple stretching. So you can also throw in a water bottle to go along with the yoga mat. Everyone can use a water bottle, even if you're not into fitness. And if it's a guy, just get either, you know, a blue, yellow, or something like that, and you can pair it with the yoga mat or workout mat that you choose to get. And also, if you want to go the extra mile, you can throw in some fitness workout items. I have this kettlebell here. You can also throw that in there, and you can get them all in the same color so it looks really cute and put together. But something like this is really cute. I know if I was, you know, working out like I should be, I would definitely appreciate a gift like this. One of my favorite gifts that I put together for this gift guide is the Fenty lip gloss. This is the Fenty lip balm. I think it's called Gloss Bomb. It's the Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. It's the original one. It's super cute, super pretty. It goes on any skin color. No matter what skin color you are, this lip gloss will look great on you. It's actually what I'm wearing right now. It's super cute. I love it so much. I feel like any girl would appreciate this. It's a bit expensive. It's about 18 bucks, but if you only have one person that you're shopping for and you just want to get them something super special, I feel like this would be a really good gift to get anybody. So kind of following along with the gift bag type of ideas, because I feel like gift bags are super easy and you can personalize them. You can write really cute notes in them. I also suggest, if you know the person's sense of style, if it's a male or female, you can get a cute bag. I got this cute bag from Forever 21. If you want to put an extra touch on it, you can fill the gift bag with different gifts, like their favorite candy, tea bags. You can fill it with cute little accessories. You can fill it with anything that person likes. I don't know about you guys, but I always lose my accessories, so I feel like a really cool and helpful Christmas gift is some really cute accessory sets, like this. These are some really cute studs from, I believe, Forever 21. These are from Forever 21. These only cost like $4. 10 pair of really cute earrings for $4, so I think that's a really good deal. Also, I got these really cute gold hoop earrings from Forever 21, and they're really simple, so they go with any type of style, any type of look that they want to pull. So I would say go for something simple, sleek, and cool. I don't know any person that doesn't love pajamas. Pajamas are literally life-changing. They're the best. I finally got a pair of pajamas for the first time in forever, and it literally changed my life, and I'm so happy. I got these pajamas from Kohl's, and these are Simply Vera. That's the brand that they are, and you can just figure out what their size is, get them some super cute, super cozy pajamas. I feel like anybody would appreciate some nice cozy pajamas. And if you want to pair two gifts, maybe you could get like the pajamas with the coffee mug and the tea, and they can have a super relaxing night. If you want to add a little extra flair to your pajama set gift, you can add in a really cute robe. This robe I actually got from Amazon, I believe, and I'll put the link down below so you can find it. They come in all different colors. This also goes for males too. You can get pajamas for them and a nice cute robe, and even some house slippers that they can wear. But this robe is super cute and cozy. You can find it on Amazon. You can find robes at Target. You can find them at Forever 21. I believe they have some robes, or they may have more so have like pajamas and stuff like that. But you can find robes literally anywhere, so I would definitely get those as a cute little Christmas gift. If you know a person that is into arts and crafts and maybe DIYing or bullet journaling, you get them some really cute bullet journaling supplies like markers and a blank notebook, some paint, different things so they can customize and start their own bullet journal. You can also leave them a Pinterest board full of different bullet journaling ideas so they have something extra to go with it. They can have some new ideas to start their new bullet journal with some creative ideas. Another really cute gift that doesn't cost any money is a personalized playlist. If you don't have any money but you still want to show how much you appreciate that person during the holidays, you can make a really cute personalized playlist. You can go on Spotify, put together their favorite songs, or songs that you guys always listen to together, or songs that remind you of a really important moment, and yeah, give it to them as a gift. If you have any college friends, or if your children are home from college, you can get them some really cute dorm decorations. they can go back to their dorm with some really cute decorations. So you can go to Ross or Target, any place that sells really cute decor, and pick up something like a throw pillow that they can add to their bed, or some really cute string lights. These string lights you don't have to plug in. You can just simply turn them on. You can't see them now, but you can simply just turn them on and they look really cute next to a bed or on a desk or anything like that. Okay guys, so I think that pretty much wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. But before you go, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And have a good holiday. Enjoy your family, enjoy your friends, and I will see you in my next video.